Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your payment gateway with Braintree, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your payment gateway with Braintree, start by logging into your Braintree account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section from the main dashboard. In the settings section, click on processing. Next, locate the payment methods option and select it. Here, you will find various payment methods you can enable. Choose the payment method you want to verify. Click on the option to enable the selected payment method. After enabling, you'll need to enter specific account details associated with that payment method. These details may vary depending on the payment method chosen. Once you've entered the required information, save the changes. Return to the processing menu to find a Verify button for your selected payment method. Click on this verification button to initiate the verification process. Braintree will typically conduct a series of checks related to your payment method configuration. Monitor the status of the verification process in your dashboard. If verification is successful, you will see a confirmation message. If any issues arise, Braintree will provide guidance on what needs to be fixed. After successful verification, you are now ready to start processing payments. Ensure that you test your payment gateway to confirm that everything works smoothly. Finally, keep your configuration details for future reference and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.